In this video we're going to show you how to set up the Kinect. It's probably worth mentioning that it would be a good idea to have an extension lead because there are at least 3 plugs that you're going to need. The first thing we need to do is to plug in the console. This connector goes into the socket on the rear left, and then we plug in to the mains. Next we're going to connect the console to the television itself. For this you're going to need your HDMI lead, which will come with the package. The HDMI lead goes into one of the sockets on the back of the console, and then you can choose an HDMI socket on the back of your TV. Sometimes you might find these on the side, but generally it is in the back. So now we come to the Kinect. The Kinect comes with 2 leads, which enables you to connect not only to the TV, but also to the console. First of all, you need to take the lead from the Kinect unit itself. Then we can plug into the mains, and finally this USB connector into the console. So now the hardware set up, we can actually switch things on. The power button on the console is this large silver button. If all is well, a green light will come on the console and on the Kinect. To insert a game, use the eject button here to open the console, place the game in the tray, and close. The handheld controller that comes with the Xbox is wireless, as you can see, and this means it will require batteries. The battery compartment can be accessed by pressing this button here and removing the compartment. It takes 2 AA batteries.